There's a procedure in every county in Pennsylvania that's been structured to make child custody decisions. And they may vary a little from county to county, but in general, this is how it works. If one of the parties decides that they're not able to work it out informally, and by the way, most parents can work it out informally, but there are some who can't, and it's not necessarily one parent's fault or the other. If one parent decides they need to get court help with a custody decision, they're going to file some kind of paperwork to start a custody proceeding. Generally, it's called a custody complaint. That will trigger a conference that takes place pretty quickly. And generally, it's 3 weeks, maybe a month after the complaint is filed. That first conference is generally not run by a judge. It's run by a person appointed by the family court to learn what the case is about and to make some temporary recommendations to a judge about what the arrangements should be until you can actually get in front of a judge. And that takes longer. That can take 3 months, 4 months, 6 months to get an actual custody trial in front of a judge. So parents who are arguing about custody, they need to get a court order in place sooner. It may not be the best court order, but at least everyone knows what the arrangements are. So that's the first step. The complaint gets filed, the parties go to this conciliation conference. They get a temporary order from the conciliator that sets out basically this is how it's going to work until you settle it or until you get in front of a judge. And then the third step, if the parties can't settle it, is to have a custody trial in front of a judge where you try and explain to the judge that the arrangement that you are proposing is the arrangement that's best for your children. And at the end of that trial, a judge will make a decision as to what the arrangement is going to be.